The 44-inch Sinclair II is a transitional style ceiling fan with a 3-light design. The fan is rated for indoor use and is pull chain operated. The 44-inch blade span is perfectly suited for small rooms that are 10 feet by 10 feet or smaller. The fan can be installed on regular ceilings or ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. Use the menu to skip ahead or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that has 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a stepladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. On the canopy assembly, unscrew the non-slotted mounting bracket screws. Loosen the remaining 2 slotted screws. Remove the hanger bracket. On the hanger ball downrod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the downrod. Remove the cross pin and the ground lead. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. Guide the motor wires through the downrod and insert it into the collar. Align the holes, then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Place the canopy over the collar. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to insert the cross pin and tighten the set screw against the side of the downrod. At the ceiling box, loosen the 2 screws. Bring the hanger bracket up to the box and slide the slots over the screws. Tighten both screws securely. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the ceiling and slide the hanger ball into the hanger bracket. Turn the motor until the groove in the ball aligns with the tab in the hanger bracket. Now you can make the electrical connections. Use wire nuts to connect the ground wires from the downrod, hanger bracket, and ceiling box together. Connect the neutral wire from the ceiling box to the white wire from the fan. Connect the hot wire from the ceiling box to the black and blue wires from the fan. If your outlet box has an extra hot wire to control the fan and light separately, connect the black wire to one hot wire and the blue wire to the other hot wire. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place, then tuck into the box. Align and twist the canopy over the hanger bracket screws. Insert the removed screws and tighten all screws securely. The fan blades can now be installed. The fan motor assembly is shipped with packing mounts to prevent movement during transportation. Use a screwdriver to remove all packing mounts from underneath the motor. Prepare a blade arm and fan blade. Pick a side of the reversible blade to face downward and align the holes. Insert and tighten 3 blade attachment screws. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. Bring a fan blade assembly up to the motor and align it with the holes underneath. Tighten both pre-assembled blade arm screws. Repeat the process for the remaining blade assemblies. The light kit assembly can now be installed. On the light kit, remove all light kit mounting screws. Bring the light kit up to the fan and connect both plugs. Align the holes and the cutout for the reverse switch, then insert and tighten the removed screws. Loosen the thumb screws on one of the sockets. Bring a glass shade up to the fan. Insert the glass shade, then tighten the thumb screws evenly around. Repeat the process for the remaining shades. Install the 3 included LED bulbs. Clip on the pull chains and fobs. Power can now be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. The speed pull chain cycles through the different fan speeds. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. The light pull chain toggles the light on or off. The reverse switch changes the direction of the fan rotation. For warm weather, The fan will spin counterclockwise and push air downward to produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Note that the fan should be off when operating the reverse switch. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.